How to create a new group on Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new group on your Viber. So the first thing you want to do is simply open your Viber app. And now once you've opened your Viber app, make sure you are logged into your Viber account. And now once you're logged in, on the bottom right side of the screen, you can see this icon right over here. So simply tap on it. And now your page will look somewhat like this, where in order to create a new group, simply tap on the option New Group or Community, which is on the top side of the screen. And now you can search for people whom you want to add to this group. So simply search their name and then tap on them. Now you can scroll down and then add as many people as you want. So the maximum number of people whom you can add in a group is 250. So for now, I'll simply choose 2 people. And now if you want, you can name your group. Now once you've done that, if you want, you can add a photo of the group by simply tapping this option. But for now, we'll simply skip this process. And now once you've done that, tap on this tick icon on the top right corner of the screen. And there you have it. You have successfully created a group on Viber. So that is basically how you create a group on Viber. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.